Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating your Shopify account and choosing a plan that fits your volume. Set core store details, name, email, currency, tax defaults, so everything calculates correctly later. Upload a theme and your logo. Make sure images are optimized to 2048 by 2048 or smaller to avoid slow pages. Once done, enable basic pages like About and Contact. You're not decorating yet. You are establishing structure, so product and checkout setup will behave predictably. Now you add products with attention. Write clear titles and descriptions that explain benefits, not just specs. Upload 3 to 5 images per product and assign SKUs for each variant so inventory syncs. Define price, compare at price for sales, and wait for accurate shipping rates. Create collections using manual selection or automated rules. This improves navigation and conversion. Once done, test the storefront search and collection pages so customers can find items quickly, and you can adjust grouping logic. Finally, configure payments and checkout. Connect providers, choose automatic or manual capture, and enable fraud settings that match your risk tolerance. Set shipping zones and rates. Include carrier-calculated options if you have negotiated accounts. Configure taxes, legal pages, and email notifications so customers receive confirmations. Test an end-to-end checkout using a real gateway in test mode or a $1 authorization. If successful, remove the storefront password and launch. Troubleshooting tip: if payment
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.